Here are the top 10 reasons you should join us on the Quilt Show. The quilts.
So I wanted some embellishment, but I didn't want it over the top. I wanted to hold on to that traditional feel.
I used to have a teaching studio. We taught all kinds of classes from traditional quilting to really a lot of art quilting.
Learning new techniques. I'm doing the same thing with one little dot.
Yep.
I am totally impressed by this.
This is very good information for me personally, because whether you're on a long arm, a lot of these tricks you could use on your domestic too.
Definitely. The artists. I've actually learned some new things, and I have said you can teach an old dog new tricks.
You are thinking and designing every step of the way, and that keeps it so exciting.
This you don't have to mix with anything. This is ready to use, which makes it really nice for the beginner.
Surprises. So it's white fabric, white thread, quilted, done, and then
I go in and change it up.
Okay, is that a surprise?
Ricky.
Alex.
And I want to point out too, it's not perfect what's going on there.
I don't do difficult things. I want you to think it's difficult, but that's the smoke and mirrors of Ricky Timms, okay?
The locations.
My name is Jean Ann Wright, and I am a quilter from Washington, D.C.
I'm Cindy Souter. I'm an art quilter and a teacher from Northern Virginia.
I'm Leslie Riley, and I'm a quilter from Maryland. Lived here all my life.
I'm Joe Cunningham, and I'm a quilt artist from San Francisco.
My name is Catherine Kleeman. I am a fiber artist from Baltimore, Maryland.
Laughter.
Thanks for giving us the missing ingredient.
You can't break a thread, because there is none.
The variety. I think postcards are so much fun. You're not committing a whole life to it, right?
True.
And yet they're little works of art.
They are. They're very fast. They make great gifts. You can literally mail them as well.
Alex, you've got something kind of up your sleeve. Hits the road fun.
That's exactly right. T-shirt quilts.
Justin's ever-changing looks. Guards! Guards!
Hey everybody, you're going to want to keep your eyes on the show today.
Doot, doot. And one great idea after another.
Why did I put this here? Anybody want to know why I put this up here?
In my so scientific Ricky Timms way, I just cut it in half.
Oh my gosh, without a ruler?
Yeah, without a
When
ruler.
did you learn to do that?
I know somebody who does that.
Come to Creativity Central, thequiltshow.com. We love to create, and it shows.